Hello vlog. So, long time no talk. I had to take an unintentional break because I got so sick. Literally the last week I could barely talk. My throat was hurting so bad I could literally not swallow a single thing. I mean, I'm still recovering. I feel like you can hear that my voice is still a bit crackling. It's not 100% there just yet, but I am feeling so much better today compared to how I've been feeling the last few days. And so I decided it was finally time to pick my vlog camera up again. I literally have so many things to update you guys on. This vlog is definitely gonna be very content heavy, I would say, which I definitely don't mind. But yeah, let me start by showing you guys my fit and then we can move on to some more exciting things. This is a little outfit that I've got on today. I'm not planning on leaving the house. Everything I need to show you guys and everything that we need to do is within the house. So wearing a very comfy, super large hoodie, and I'm kind of wearing it as a hoodie dress. This is indeed my boyfriend. I don't know why I have a tendency of stealing his stuff, but oh well. Of course, I'm wearing my little Ugg. I really think they go super well with this outfit. And this sweater is indeed adorable. And the back is pretty cool as well. So yeah, super cute and comfy outfit, but I am indeed very obsessed with it. Also, I'm very liking how my hair turned out today. I put a little purple shampoo when I washed it and that definitely did the trick. If you guys know my whole hair journey, it's definitely not my dream set just yet. The girl fixed it somehow, but I'm definitely not close to the end result I wanted, so that would definitely be still a work in progress, but so far I am kind of pleased with it. So like I said, I have so many things to share with you guys and update you on, but I thought we could start this vlog with a little unboxing. I've got this little parcel the other day from Clarins and I've been wanting to open it so bad, but I decided to wait because I wanted to do it on camera with you guys. I think I paid £30 for this little set, and it also gave me access to a little conference call that is going on next Thursday, I believe. So I'm probably gonna vlog that for you guys as well and tell you more about the event once we get there, but I'm just gonna open this bad boy for now. This is so cute. How adorable. I'm so excited to open this up. I generally do not remember what's in the set, so this is gonna be a bit of a surprise for me as well. Okie dokie. Here's all the goods. Let's go through them one by one. Also, quick premises about this little pouch. I do think it's adorable. However, I would rather for it to be a bit more stiff material wise, because it doesn't really have a lot of structure. So the first thing we have is this hand and nail treatment cream, and it softens hands and straighten nails. I'm actually very excited for this one. I've been such a sucker for hand cream lately. I do use them every single night, and I also have some sample ones that I'm literally carrying with me every single day. They're in the pockets of my coats, and I definitely been meaning to get a new one, so I'm quite excited for these. Okay, moving on, we got a little Subra Lift and Curl mascara. I never tried the mascara from Clarins, so I'm quite intrigued. It's in the shade 01, which is intense black. Love a black mascara. This is very green. I was not expecting that. I've also been meaning to buy a new mascara because mine is literally dried out, so I guess I'll keep you guys posted on how I like this one. Let me actually see the wand. Oh yes. Oh wow, it's curvy as well. Not me pretending to be a beauty guru, I know what I'm talking about. Okay, moving on, we got a little perfume. I believe this one is Eau de Son treatment fragrance. I'm probably pronouncing it so wrong. And it says vitality, freshness and firmness. I guess that's how the scent is described. Let's do a quick smell test. Oh my god, this is definitely the most precious little bottle. This guy is so cute. Oh, It reminds me of something, but I can't wrap my head around it. I mean, it is very nice, although I feel like it's more of a male scent. I think that's what it reminds me of, like a male aftershave maybe. I don't know, but I'm down to give these to my boyfriend, because if it smells like this, I mean, I would definitely not be mad. Okay, so we got 2 more products left. The first one is these double serum sample kit type of thing. It has a bunch of these little sample size of the product. I've never tried this, but I've heard a very good thing about it, so I'm definitely down to give this a go. Oh my god, I'm very excited for this next one. This is a lip comfort oil and it's on the shade 09. I've been wanting to try these for a while. On Christmas they have a little stocking filler which has this one and another product as well, I believe, and I've been wanting to buy that for so long, but every single time I actually decided, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and make the purchase, it was always sold out. Oh my god, this is so cute. I have lipstick on, so I'm not gonna try it out now, but I'll definitely keep you guys posted. I'm actually super excited. And then super quick, because I feel like I've been talking for ages, with every Clarins purchase you guys do, they also offer you 3 samples, and these are the ones that I've got. So I'm gonna shut up, make a coffee, make a little snack as well, because I'm feeling kind of hungry. I already went ahead and made my lunch, or at least I prepared it. I was craving some salsa and I wanted some slice of bread to dip it in. So I had some guanciale that I put on my little always pan with some oil to add the salsa, and it's currently working its magic as I'm talking, but I have a feeling it's not ready just yet. So I might have a little snack, show you guys a couple more things, and then I'm gonna enjoy my lunch. Okay, so I'm back. Coffee was amazing, definitely what I needed. And then I ended up toasting 2 slices of bread, adding some lotus spread, and then sprinkle some strawberries on top as well. And oh my god, that is 100% my favorite toast. You need to try it, it's so good. Anyway, moving on, there's something else that I want to talk to you guys about, aka show you. These definitely does not come as a surprise. We all know I have a bit of a shopping problem, although I do have to say I definitely got better with it, and the things that I'm going to show you I'm very excited for, because although they're quite basic, they definitely helped and served a purpose. aka I got rid of a bunch of my old clothes and old things that I wasn't wearing, that I was not reaching out for, and things that I had for way too long. So let's start with a little haul, and then I'm gonna tell you guys more about the declutter. Like I said, I definitely did not go crazy and I did get only what I needed, although I definitely did buy one thing that I did not need. As I was exiting the shop, I've seen that the sweater that I tried on and I kind of liked at a very good deal for H&M members, and so I was like, you know what, I might as well. Anyway, let's start with the basics. So I've got this little crop top type of situation. You guys know I have quite a few of these in different colors. They are literally my favorite thing to wear in the summer. I get a lot of use out of them. I wear them at work all the times, and so I thought it was time to upgrade and get some new ones. And so I got one in black and I also got one in white. I could you not, the white ones I had were so gross. I'm so happy that I finally got rid of them. And then lastly, this is the item that I literally came back to the checkout for after I paid for the 2 little crop top, and it is this little sweater. I of course am obsessed with it. I always loved a strappy sweaters, and they've been my favorite for so long. If you guys are OG, you probably remember me in my childhood bedroom filming most of my videos honestly with this black and white stripy sweater. It probably looked like I had nothing else to wear, but I promise you I had quite a few clothes growing up. It's just that one was my favorite, and I'm quite excited for these new little additions. I'm not gonna try these on today, but definitely stay tuned because I'm probably gonna wear them in my next vlogs and future videos. I'm super excited. It looks super good. And best part, it was originally 20 bucks I believe, but for members it was like 13 or something, and so I was like, you know what, that is a sign that I should get it, and I'm very happy with it. As I mentioned, me getting these pieces started a whole closer clear out, which I did not film unfortunately, and that is because I wasn't feeling very well. But me being a super productive person, I could not stay still, and so I still wanted to do something that was kind of like low energy. Although looking back, a closer clear out is definitely not a low energy type of thing, but I feel like in the back of my mind I already knew what I was getting rid of and what I wanted to keep, so that was fairly easy. I did film a closer clear out not too long ago when we sort of first moved into this flat, I believe, and so all the pieces that I haven't worn ever since that day, they are now pretty much gone, or in my yellow bag, shall I say. I already started to reorganize things, and my drawers definitely look more organized now. You'll have to stay tuned for my next video to see a proper reveal, I guess, because my boyfriend still needs to declutter each part of the drawer, so I want him to do that before I go ahead and show you guys how everything is looking. And also I do want to go shopping and buy a few essentials so that I can get rid of some more stuff. I am in desperately need of a pair of jeans. I got 3 jeans from Primark that I absolutely adore, but I've destroyed them. They used to have little rips in them, and now they're not even rips anymore, they're straight up holes. So I would love to get some new pairs, maybe 2 pairs I would say, a light wash and a slightly darker denim wash. And then I realized I desperately want an oversized zip up hoodie in the color black, so I'm probably gonna go in the hunt for them in my next vlog. But until then, I have one more thing that I need to show you guys, and I'm very excited. You guys know that I do these memory collage books every single year, and it definitely took me a minute because we are in March and I just now started it, but better late than never, I guess. I filmed a little silent unboxing while I was super sick, and so I'm probably gonna add that here, but I've got both the collage book and the glue pens from Amazon. I actually started to work on the cover page and I'm very obsessed with it, so I'm just gonna show it to you guys. Here you have it. I'm literally obsessed with it. So this is my 2024 collage book front page. Like I said, I'm really obsessed. I think it looks so good. It says 2024 no lies, because in my collage book I always put down the truth, and so every single thing that happens in my life, like cool places that I go to, every single thing is gonna end up in this book. I love these because they're like a bit of a diary, if you will. And I also glue up the sticker that says those who don't believe in magic will never find it. I don't know, I think it's so cute. I love the detailing as well. This is what I'm gonna be working on for the rest of the evening. I made a little list with all the things that I need to integrate. Things like soft party, bath, light through London, because we all know that was a thing. St. Valentine's Day, our Liverpool trip. And I've got all my little knickknacks already separated into piles. And so my flat definitely does not look the cleanest because of that, but I think I'm gonna tackle that today. We're probably not gonna do it all, but I'm gonna do as much as I can, and then I'll keep you guys posted.